Hi, I'm JMO from a company called Xcase in the UK. You can find us at www.xcase.co.uk. It would be great if you could visit our website and join our Facebook. Today I'm looking at a 3U chassis that we do. We call it the X330f, and it's an ultra short, just 300mm deep 3U chassis that will fit standard PC parts. So from the front you'll see we've got this exposed 5.25 bay, ideal for a CD-ROM or a caddy. Got this grille at the bottom here with a filter behind it, and behind that are two 80mm fans. Here we've got two USB 3s, power on, reset, power light and hard drive activity light. So we've often been asked for a short rack mount chassis, so we've just introduced this and also a couple of 4Us. So if I just turn it to its side, that will give you a better idea of its depth. And although it is short, it will still fit a standard ATX motherboard, micro ATX and of course ITX. Just one note that if you're using a standard ATX, because of the position of the power supply, you will lose a couple of slots at the end of the board underneath the PSU. So you can only use 4 full height expansion slots. So a standard PSU goes here. You've got a couple of holes for serials, and you've got an option for a 60mm rear fan at the back here. I'll try and get a bit closer. So here you'll see the exposed 5.25 bay. Here you can fit a 3.5-inch drive at the top and also at the bottom. There's also a plate internally here, and on this you can fit 2 times 2.5-inch drives. The power supply itself sits above that, so there's plenty of space for them to sit. As it's a short chassis, we don't tend to use rack mount rails with it and just support it from the ears alone. But we have available L brackets that sit underneath it, or we do a short rack mount kit if required. If I just turn it up, hopefully you'll be able to see some fans. There's one there and one over the other side there. And there's also space for 2 more if required. Now this whole piece here does remove. So for instance, if you want to use a very long video card, and you don't need an optical or hard drives and just get away with an SSD at the bottom, you can remove this entirely, giving you more room. So there we go, the X330f. Nice little short 3U rack mount chassis now available. Thanks for listening.